Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fit an electric shower. Let's get started. Look, you know the score already guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell notification. Don't be one of them silent predators that watch the videos and never comments or nothing like that. Just leave me a comment, say hello, whatever. What's up, respect. So this is the shower that we're going to be fitting for guys. It's a Mira Sprint Multi Fit electric shower, an 8.5 kilowatt. And we're going to be taking out this Triton T80Z. Hey guys, I'll show you what's in the box. Let's have a look at the shower then. So it looks like you've got multiple pipe inlets. So your water can come up here, your water can come up here, but it has to go through here and basically up into this joint here. So whenever I do this, I don't use push fit, I always use compression on these. I'm sure the manufacturers always want you to use compression. That's what I always use, easy for future maintenance and stuff like that. Your pipe can also come down the back here, I believe. Yeah, so if you look on the back, you can bring the pipe all the way down here, through and up. You may even be able to bring it down there, bring it straight up here. But I don't believe you can move this around. With the Tritons you can. So with these Miras I don't think you can. The electric is on either side. So you've got one on that side and you've got one on that side, which is quite good. So the cable entry points, which is usually the easiest thing anyway, to be fair. It's usually this water pipe, which is normally the hardest. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this, but in the box you get this installation template, which is quite decent. I don't think you get this with the Triton. And it's showing the same thing, that the water pipe will come up, around and up here, and it's telling you about the electrical supplies.
Safety first guys, two things: turn your electric off, turn your water off.
So now let's check the electrics. Make sure it's dead. That's fine. Okay, so before I take it out, I'll tell you why I like these showers actually, yeah? The reason I like these showers, you can switch this to that side quite easily. Just take that screw off, so electrical connections can come in and through the back. Another reason I like these is because of this. You can swivel this around, whereas the Mira doesn't look like you can. So you can have the water coming through here, and you can switch it around. The reason we're taking this off, guys, is water pressure. The water pressure in this property is not that great. This requires 1.5 bar in order to switch it on. The other one requires 0.7 bar. So that's why we're switching it over. But yeah, I installed these a lot, these Tritons, but we're taking it out and we're fitting that Mira, which in my opinion is a better shower. So let's get the new shower and have a look now how we're going to pipe it up. So the inlet pipe's there. You can see the hole where it needs to go through. So that's basically going to go there. So it looks like we've got to snap these things off. Nice and easy, no tools needed. So that's probably going to go there. The water will go across and that will reach. The electric just about reaches, and there's no play on it either. And that just about reaches, which is good. So probably put the shower there, so everything is hidden. So we're going to go across there, bend up here into this connection here. Get it as low as you can. So we've got to make sure that when we're drilling, we don't want to hit into this pipe, we don't want to hit into this cable. So if I drill here, I should miss everything, and also whatever is inside this box will be covered. I've got to make sure that this is the same level as this. So a copper pipe can go through here, which it can. So we'll put that here, make sure the shower is level. 1, 2, and 3. So I'll get the spirit level on here, just to make sure that this is straight. So I've got a combi drill here with a 6mm toe bit. It's a 6-bit, yeah. No, it's not on hammer, it's on rotor only. Straight for the top. Easy. So behind there we've got wood, which is great. And then top one. Nice and easy. Whack the plugs in. The towels will hold it in. Nice. So that's in, nice and easy. And the pipe should be able to get in and out of there, which is good. So now I need the compression joint, which goes on to here, the elbow. Got a bit of copper coating. That's good, that moves. So what I can do is measure that up there. Measure that there. Roughly going to be coming through there. That there is basically there. The center of this is roughly there. This is my own little method, guys. Obviously I could have measured it and stuff like that, but this is how I choose to do it. Now I'm just going to pull the bend which goes up and across there. Tape measure. So if I get a tape measure and I measure from here across there to the center of that line, which is roughly, I would say, it's about 14.5, just over 14.5. 14.5. Which is there. Just need the bender. I'm going to bend it around with the former and it should get it to where it should be. So it goes in here, in there, whack that form on. There, here, just to get it dead center, which is about center there. No, it's too far. Too far. Yeah, man. You guys put them under pressure, or a bit more. That's it, so I'm happy there. If you want, if you're unsure, obviously, I would have went a little bit over, but I like to be bangity on. Let's use them muscles. That's a nice 90, isn't it, guys? So that's the 90 done. And then I'd put that through there. And now I'd measure up to, say, here. I'd cut the pipe now. Nut and olive through here, get that on there. Let's now connect the electrics. Try to get this in. So now we've connected the water, we've also connected the electrics. We need to turn the electric back on, and we're going to turn the water back on to make sure we've got no leaks before we put covers back on. Let's get the water back on, guys. So lights back on now to show the electrics on. We've got no water leaks, as you can see, because the water's now back on. Have a little test of the joints. You'll hear it anyway usually, so that's all good. So let's put this cover back on. If it doesn't go on, guys, you've got to toggle this around, because basically these needs to be the same direction as these here, these two prongs here, and the top one as well. So whack that back on, which is nice. That turns. That turns. We've got 3 screws to put back in. So whenever you fit these showers, you don't need to silicone anything around here. It's sealed, yeah? So the manufacturers don't want you to silicone it. Leave it as it is. Make sure, guys, you get this rubber washer in both ends of here, yeah? So Curtis has already made this up for us. It's hand tight, by the way. Yeah, just so you guys can see. You don't need no tools or nothing. You just get the rubber washer in there, as you can see. And then hand tight. And hand tight. If this fits here, which it should, I'm not going to change the actual unit. I think it may need to be twisted around. No, I think I may have to change this butter. Okay guys, end of the video. The job's now been done. I've installed the Mira Shower. Overview of the job. Okay, it's not easy. You just got to do the water connection, you got to do the electric connection. I could have, instead of bending the pipe, I could have put another compression fitting, a push fit fitting. I could have soldered it really, but the easiest thing is a bend. And you know, the electrics were slightly too short. You see me pushing it in, and yeah, it was nice and easy, straight swap. So if you ever swap a Triton to a Mira, it's very easy. If I was to choose out of the Triton or the Mira, it's very close because of price and stuff like that. But I think I would choose the Mira over the quality of the product. But price-wise, I think you can't go wrong with the Triton. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want, whatever. Job done.